Hi, this is Tim from Major League Hacking. I'm here with the organisers of GUHack from sunny Glasgow in Scotland. I'm with
Tomasz, the Vice President of Glasgow Uni Tech Society.
I'm Theodora, I'm the Social Convener for Tech Society.
I'm Ben, I'm part of the Hackathon committee.
how did you get involved organising GUHack?
It was a random decision. So we heard about these events called hackathons, and one of our friends said, let's organize one. But then we realized that we don't know how to organize them. Mm-hmm. So we went to two of them, and one in Glasgow and in Edinburgh, to actually see what it is, because I had no clue. Mm-hmm. We went there and it showed out to be a great event where you can learn lots of stuff, meet amazing people, and have lots of fun. So we thought that we have the guts, and we organized one in Glasgow for our students.
That's awesome. So what was your first hackathon like?
Well, this is actually my first hackathon, official one, but I think I'm having a good time, learning a lot as well, not necessarily as much as the participants in terms of technology, but in terms of managing this amount of people and taking care of all their needs and working as a team. I think it's a good experience.
So your first hackathon was when you organized. That's pretty epic. So there are a lot of teams here. Have you seen any teams that have really impressed you?
Yeah, there was a team working on the SAS challenge, gathering all the information together from a database that they only get access to this weekend. The way they visualized it was quite impressive, given that they only have been coding for like 10 hours.
Fantastic. And what kind of challenges have you faced so far, and how have you overcome them?
Challenges, like organizing challenges.
Yeah.
Food, yeah, we have to keep an eye on food because it vanishes. It literally disappears. So you have to take care how to distribute it to people.
Underestimated the hunger present here this weekend. So
we also underestimated crowd control. So to get about 140 people across to just the down at the end of the road, the Grosvenor, where the food was served, was a bit more of a challenge than we thought it might be.
Yeah, so hackers, very hungry people. So what are you looking forward to in the rest of the event?
well, hopefully people are going to have fun. They're going to finish their challenges. They're going to leave having more friends than they had when they came here. Hopefully everyone's going to be well and alive and not overdosing on energy drinks or anything else. And that we are going to all be sane and still get along after this is done. And
then hopefully host the next hackathon next year.
So how has the school been helping out?
Well, the support from the school, I have to say, it is unique on university scale, and I haven't seen a student society and the school collaborating like we are in any other universities.
Okay, so the School of Computing Science and the way that we cooperated with them was unique. They've brought all this effort together to give us the building so that we could stay in here for 48 hours and code. The support we got from the head of school was also amazing. He came to our hosting event and held an amazing sort of start-off speech, which just supported us all. In general, we think that the cooperation that we have with the School of Computing Science has always been great, and this is just one of those events that just shows how much input they give into our student life in general.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So many hackathons around the country find they don't get as much support from their schools as you do. So it's great to see Glasgow being a paragon of schools supporting their students, making cool things and having fun. Last year was your first hackathon, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And that was how many people?
Around 60, 70.
Okay, and how many are here this year?
Oh, twice as many.
Okay.
150 almost.
150 people.
Plus we have people in Singapore as well. So.
Oh yeah, so we've got some people working remotely along with us in Singapore. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So last year, it was just an idea. It was like, it would be great to do it because we have students that receive a degree from Glasgow University in Singapore. So there's a full cohort, like 40 students in Singapore studying the same degree as we do. And we thought, we're organizing hackathons for students in Glasgow. It would be great to include those guys. And after months of negotiations and organizing efforts, hey, it's happening. It's awesome. It's great. I can't believe that it's happening there. Yeah.
That's fantastic. So GUHack is a hack happening around the world.
2 continents.
Yeah.
7 hours difference. And we actually started in the same time. So those guys, they were starting their challenge presentations at 1 a.m. at night. So that's a lot of dedication from them. I really respect them for that.
Totally. So you doubled the size of the event this year. Next year, twice as big again.
And 1 more continent.
Yeah, let's do it. Awesome. Thanks very much for speaking to us. This has been Tim for Major League Hacking.